Now let me introduce the usage method of GEYA-GATS-W8Z. Connect the upper left end to the main power supply incoming line. Connect the upper right end to the backup power supply incoming line. Parallel output below to supply power to the load. Now turn on the main power supply. After power on, the screen will display the voltage of each phase of the main power supply. Power on the backup power supply. At this point, you can manually switch between the two power sources. Press the settings button to switch to automatic mode. At this time, it is on standby power supply, main power priority in automatic mode. Automatically switch to main power supply after 5 seconds of timing. Disconnect the main power supply. Automatically switch to backup power after a 5-second delay. If the main power supply is restored, there will be a 5-second delay before switching back to the main power supply. Long press the setting button to enter the function menu. Set desired functions through other keys. This switch is connected to a 24V power supply. When we press the switch, the product will enter the mid-range gear and the load will be powered off.